Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Now tap on Allow in the pop-ups and click on this mic button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to delete it right away, click on this bin icon and choose discard. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the check mark. Now name it however you want to and choose save. Then, if you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, tap on this bin icon over here, and confirm your choice by choosing Allow in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!